Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Welcome to my
Welcome to
world.
my world.
Today we're going to be talking about diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth, food grade. Okay. Diatomaceous earth is sand from the diatom rock. It is safe for consumption. It is non-toxic and has no side effects. It increases energy level, cleanses the digestive tract, supports healthy digestion, improves cholesterol and heart health, provides body with trace minerals, improves bone health, promotes hair growth, healthy skin, strong nails and teeth. Detoxes the body by removing heavy metals. Is treatment for constipation, removes parasites, promotes joint health, bone reduction pain, reduces side effects of menopause, normalizes hemorrhoidal tissue, decreases headaches, insomnia, may prevent TB, helps with Alzheimer's disease, stimulates metabolic processes, slows down facial aging lines. It tightens the skin. And I have here in a bowl the powder. This is what it looks like. And what you do is just add some water with it, stir, and make a paste. And you can use that paste as a facial. And it's wonderful. Trust me, it feels so good. Do not inhale the dust from the powder. That's the one thing that you don't want to do. But other than that, it's perfect. Non-toxic at all. It's a dietary supplement found in products such as vitamins and household cleansers. It is a powder substance with many benefits when consumed regularly. A natural remedy made from the diatomo fossilized rocks which accumulate in freshwater lakes. So it is in nature. It's found in nature. It's available in food grade and non-food grade. The food grade is what you want to buy. The non-food grade would be used for outside around your house. You could put it out to kill ants or anything that you don't want around the house. The food grade can be used to kill parasites within your body, and all the benefits that I just listed above. Let's see. It's for fatigue, gas, bloating, nausea, diarrhea. I said rid parasites. Lowers blood pressure, prevents kidney stones, treats head lice, regulates your bowels, cleanses your colon, kills viruses. You can also use it to purify water. A tooth wash or paste wash reduces dementia, reduces mercury and heavy metals. Beneficial for gum healing. And it also reduces the risk of bone fractures, collagen production, detox digestive system, and let's see, may reverse baldness, lowers cholesterol, and also absorbs prescription medicine residue. A lot of us take prescription medicines and they're leaving residues in our bodies. This goes in and wipes it out. It is 84% silica. So it has silica, magnesium, iron, calcium, and sodium in it as well. No side effects at all. You can add it to your pet food. If they have parasites, add a little bit to your pet food. It will go in there and chop the parasites up. Boom. Also good for human parasites as well. You can do 1 teaspoon 2 times a day in juice on an empty stomach. And I don't even do it regularly. When I think about it or feel like I have a parasite or I just want to detox or do a cleansing, I will get on my diatomaceous earth. I add a little bit to maybe a teaspoon to some juice, stir it up, drink it in a straw. You never really taste the grittiness in it. It's gritty. But if you just put it in a straw, it goes right down really fast. And it's these are my nails, and this is my hair. So it's been wonderful as far as a nail strengthening your nails for nail growth and beneficial for your hair. I'm over 50, so if you can tell, I hope that it's doing pretty good for my face too, my skin. Like I said, you can make this into a paste and use it as a facial. Use it as a facial toner. It's just been wonderful. I do want to say that there has been some medical articles that have said Diatomaceous earth has no support claim. Okay, has there been any support claims for the so-called cure medicines that are out today? No, nothing is a cure. There are no cures, okay? We're all out there taking these medications. They're not any cures. They're just masking or maybe relieving symptoms, but there are no cures. The only cure that I would say came from Dr. Sebi, which would be to keep the body alkaline. It would not, to keep the body alkaline would keep diseases from the body. That's the only thing that I could think that will really keep you in ultimate health. It's not in the pills, it's not in the things, it's in the diet. So keeping the body alkaline would keep your body healthy at all times. But also, this diatomaceous earth is beneficial regardless of the so-called claims that the medical field is making. They would not want you to go and spend $20 on eBay and get something that would help you to heal yourself or to rid parasites or anything that will cause you not to go to the doctor and give them money. So this is how you spell it: Diatomaceous, diatomaceous earth, food grade. Only get the food grade for human consumption, and it's $20. It's a huge bag. $20 off of eBay. It's been very worth it. Like I said, these are my nails and this is my hair, ladies. If you want to try it, please, you will not be dissatisfied. What else I want to say? I think that's it. I just really wanted to introduce you guys to diatomaceous earth and go over some of the benefits and let you know it doesn't cost that much, how to make it, a little bit in some juice. You never even really taste it, and it's been wonderful as far as ridding parasites. You can give it to your pets. Also, I want to also say, change your diet and start your lifestyle. Also, don't just think diatomaceous earth is going to be the one cure. You also got to eat healthy. You got to do some yoga. You got to meditate. You got to take care of your physical and your spiritual body, and exercise, and also do the diatomaceous earth. And hopefully, this video has been wonderful for you. It has been for me. Hopefully, it has been educational for you. Stop back again, and I hope to see you again soon. Peace.